Hello, everyone. We will be discussing our project, the Mindful Child Initiative, focusing on calming down. I am Carla.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Emmy.
I'm Olivia.
So, for the background, mindfulness can be used as a guide to help children work through their frustrations. Mindful Schools defines mindfulness as being present here and now, paying attention to our thoughts, bodily sensations, emotions, and external environment with kindness and non-judgment. The Mindful Child Initiative is a program incorporated in classrooms throughout the Lehigh Valley to assist children in self-regulation and emotional well-being. The purpose of this study is to describe the effectiveness of using mindfulness practices in a classroom setting. Our specific question was mindfulness helps me calm down, focusing on the themes of self-regulation, anxiety and stress, and mindfulness effects on daily life.
As far as the methods go, the searches used by our nursing group were CINAHL, ERIC, and PsycInfo. Some keywords that were used were mindfulness, anxiety, meditation, yoga, and stress. Subject terms were self-regulation, emotional well-being, and calming down. The inclusion criteria used was full text, English language, peer-reviewed, and the age groups of children 6 through 12, adults 19 to 44, middle-aged 45 to 64 years old. The articles that we excluded were those that contained medical-related topics and healthcare issues. In total, 316 articles were retained, 236 were from CINAHL, 77 from ERIC, and 1 from PsycInfo. Of all of these articles, 12 were chosen for analysis. All the data was received by MCI in the form of Google Sheets, in which there were student and data teacher sets. The nursing class was equally split up into two groups. One was organizing the teacher data group, and the other was organizing the student data. The data was from 2019 and focused on grades 3, 4, and 5. The responses were color-coded and grouped into major themes by the whole nursing cohort. SPSS was used for the quantitative data and used to run descriptive statistics, and the qualitative data we used thematic analysis.
Here are the results found from the research. The first figure shows how mindfulness helped the students calm down when they were upset. 94.26% said that mindfulness does help them, and only 5.74% said that it doesn't help them. There were 1,316 students total, so about one-third of them did not respond to the question, which can skew the results. Therefore, the attrition rate is 38% for this data set. 70% of teachers also stated that students were able to settle down better after engaging in mindful interventions. Also, mindfulness helped students control their impulses and self-control, as well as for helping them settle down. The second figure shows the levels of evidence of the articles chosen. 25% of the articles were level 2, 50% were level 3, and 25% were level 5. The common themes between the articles analyzed were how mindfulness helps to reduce anxiety and stress in students and also helps the children regulate their emotions. The data was collected by the Mindful Child Initiative has shown that including mindfulness practices and programs into a child's school day does help students calm down and improves their emotional well-being when upset or angry. According to Bush, one study found that the MCI classroom data set relates to previous literature, as the study suggests that a short 15-minute yoga session may improve behavior and attention in children who are in preschool. Another study done by Caro found that participating in drawing and trust walks, in addition to mindfulness, helps the students calm down when they were upset in the classroom.
According to Piotrowski, one study was done to determine that teachers observed that children became calmer, made better friendships, and were more open to expressing their emotions, just like the data from the MCI. When it comes to discussions, referencing the MCI data and the literature, our group found the common connection that supports mindfulness is effective when trying to calm school-age children in the classroom. Implications: school districts incorporating mindfulness at some point in their school day. Future long-term research can be performed in schools on how mindfulness interventions impact students, and healthcare professionals should incorporate mindfulness practices to reduce stress and anxiety inside of the workplace environment. Some of our acknowledgments: we want to say thank you to Dr. Farber and Dr. Groller in leading us in this research project. A special thank you to Moravian University librarians Chris Petrie and Derek Aki for assisting us in the search process, and a thank you to Jason Sizemore and Sarah Martinez from the Mindful Child Initiative. And below, you can scan this QR code for our references.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.